Welcome to the simple installation guide of the Linux operating system MODICIA O.S. Follow the video guide step by step and everything will be fine in no time. If you are asked for your root password when you start live mode, it means that the ISO is corrupt and you have not done the MD5 checksum. Then download the ISO again and check that it is correct with the MD5 checksum check. Download the ISO file and verify that it is intact with the MD5. Create a bootable USB stick, and from your computer's BIOS, choose USB key as first boot. Launch the taskbar by pressing Ctrl plus spacebar. Select your language. Set local time. Set the keyboard. Partition the disk and choose where and how to install the system. Enter your user details and password. The installation time depends on the power of your hardware. The important is how long the operating system will last before crashing forever, and not how long it takes to install it unless you like reinstalling every day everything. Now everything is ready. Restart your system and remove the installation USB key. Enter your password. Approve the changes before proceeding. Reboot the system immediately before using it, otherwise if you do not complete this step, it will very likely that the system will make confusion and not translate everything. Enter your password. Reboot the system one last time before proceeding, otherwise the applications will make errors when searching for the desktop. Enter your password. We're done, everything is ready. Good work.